Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our United Airlines Employee Account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your United Airlines Employee Account, what you can do is just open up a browser, and after opening up a browser in search bar you have to search for Employee Login United Airlines. And after searching for that option, now you have to tap on the second option which says United Login. After doing that, you can enter your UID or username and then enter your password. After entering your details, just tap on login, and after doing that you will successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is just tap on password help, and after tapping on password help you can change your password or reset or recover your password. So just simply do that, and after changing your password, come back to this login page and just enter the new password that you have created and then tap on login. After tapping on login, you will successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your United Airlines employee account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.